If you want to show customer reviews and boost trust, installing the Loox Product Reviews app on Shopify is a simple way to display photo reviews on your products. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Apps. Then open the Shopify App Store. Search for Loox Product Reviews and click Install to add it to your store. Once installed, open the Loox app from your dashboard and follow the prompts to connect it to your Shopify store. Inside the app, configure the settings, including enabling the review widget, allowing photo reviews, and customizing the layout to match your store's design. After saving your settings, preview your product pages to ensure the review widget appears correctly and displays customer reviews, helping build trust and credibility with potential buyers. After saving, Loox will display reviews on your product pages to help boost trust and conversions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.